So yeah, hi, this is Ayush, and this is my first AI web app called Chimera. So if you go by name, what does it means? So it has two meaning. If you Google it, I will tell you the good meaning. That is a thing. It means a thing which is hoped for but is illusory or impossible to achieve. But through this web app, uh, I want to establish a different meaning of this Chimera word. So basically, this is an AI-based psychological engine that will help user to first. It will take user data to understand what user's current situation is and what he wants in life and what is his behavioral traits, personality traits. So first of all, user need to enter some of the personality traits he has, like if he's ambitious, extroverted, optimistic, generous, competitive, patient, or detail oriented or visionary. And based on this personality traits, he will get the psychological profile of his identity. And there are also some deep questions that will help him to understand himself better, and also the system or the app or the web app can understand him better. Based on this options, these answers answered by the user, the app will understand the psychology of user or the choices of the user in a better way. And the user also can select domains that he is interested in, architecture or roles like product manager, software engineer, strategy, and high value skills he want in his life, copywriting, project management, and core values he believe in, autonomy, creativity, impact, wealth. Based on this data and inputs given by the user, it will then generate the narratives or stories that will be related to the successful peoples or personalities or inspiration that users that has an impact in user life. And based on these stories, when I click on initialize this path, the user will get a fully personalized ecosystem full of career pathways and thinking strategies and visions and mindset and perspective that he need to have in his life to build the future self of him or the better version of him. Like you can see, this is the ecosystem, and there is a phase by phase roadmap that will be provided to the user. So basically, this is not simple information. This is basically a structured information with a very deep psychological knowledge of the user that has been provided to the user, will help him to achieve something very unique and very creative and very high level in his life. And through the this journey, it will also help him to gain a very different perspective than other journeys, and will help them build a different framework of thinking and mindset. So the idea behind building this application is like every other platform in today's generation. Every other platform is like information oriented, and it is more like question and answering only, or giving information what user is asking for without knowing what users actually want. And it is not application fault or user's fault. Basically, it is the gap between the models and uh, the direction that the models lack inside them for the user, for better, for understanding them in a better way. So basically, this is the idea, so that user can first enter his first give the inputs, and based on that inputs, user will get a mirror story of himself related to some successful people, and it will feel like if this story is possible, why not his story can become a successful story or success journey. So based on that story or narrative, the user will get a whole ecosystem that will help him to build the better future or the better career path or the better skill path, or gain better skills in his whole successful journey or whole success journey. So that's from my side. Thank you.